Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Gmail shortcut in Google Chrome. It's quick, it's easy, and by the end, you'll have the Gmail icon right on your Chrome homepage, just one click away from your inbox. Let's get started. First things first, make sure Chrome is open and active. You can click its icon from the desktop or taskbar. And if you're not already signed in with your Google account, go ahead and do that now. It helps sync everything for a smoother experience. Once you're on the Chrome homepage, look for the option that says Add Shortcut. You'll usually see it under the search bar or mixed in with your frequently visited sites. Clicking Add Shortcut will bring up a little window where we can set up Gmail as a shortcut. Now, type in a name for the shortcut. The simplest choice is just Gmail, but you can call it whatever you like as long as it's easy to recognize later. Next, paste in the Gmail web address. That's mail.google.com. Be careful, no typos, no extra spaces, otherwise the shortcut won't work properly. Once you've got the name and the URL, just click Done. And that's it. Chrome adds the Gmail shortcut right to your homepage. From now on, every time you open Chrome, Gmail will be just one click away. Super handy for saving time and staying productive. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.